Okay, so hello guys. We will be installing eViews into our machine, that is either Windows or MacBook. So it's a detailed guide on how to install your eViews in your system. This lecture will be in English only, so it will be feasible for large audience, both for India as well as for international. Therefore, we will start with the official website of eViews, that is eviews.com. After that, we will get into a landing page of this. Simply we have to click, in order to use the free version of eViews, we will simply click on the university edition. Irrespective of what your university is, the eViews is free for the student version. It's called Student Lite version, right? And thereafter we have to just click for the free download, that is the university edition. For the paid ones is sold as a subscription, but you can still use as a student version. It will have approx 1500 tokens, right? So just click on the free downloads. It will take to your like a request page in which we have to fill your first name. Like my name is let's go with Yash. The last name would be Sharma. The email ID, carefully fill it like I am filling. You should fill your own email address, right? The phone number is not mandatory because it doesn't have a red star mark. In the universities, fill like my university is Manet Bhopal, right? The country in which your institution is located. Now this the title. The title part should be either an undergrad student or grad student. I will just put on the grad students. The captcha you have to code, the captcha code you have to fill, and by requesting you can just click on request the serial number, right? I'm not filling it because I have already asked for the serial number, right? So I will just open into this. So basically, for the student light version, like this is it. You have to just click on the download link. It will again open a page in which there is a heading that eViews Student Lite version download. For Windows, you can just have it from here. And I request everyone that you shouldn't install the updates, because updates of your Windows or either Mac, because eViews is quite slow at this. So just I am clicking Mac OS because I have a MacBook Air. So just click on it and it will start with the downloading, right? And it will be free for 1 year. After that you can just again like if you enjoy your eViews student version, you can purchase a full-fledged version in which you get the more tokens of it. Otherwise you can again renew with the new email address for another 1 year, right? Okay, now okay, just let it be open again, and I will just guide you, because in MacBook they are slightly changed. Like I have faced a similar problem, but the eViews had taken this into consideration that there is a PDF which will guide you for entirely with the process, right? Let's open this. Okay, so basically after opening this, there is one known as the student P uh, package, and there is installation guide. Just click on installation guide. A PDF will open. Yeah, now this, see the eViews, it's for the Apple Silicon Intel based, right? You have to double click into the package version and this message might appear like Apple does not verify the eViews 12 student version. Just click on done, right? And after that open settings. Open settings, right? In settings, just go to privacy and security. In privacy and security, you will be given one sec, just let me verify. Okay, in private and securities, scroll down to securities, scroll down to securities. Okay, so this the eView will appear here, and just you have to put on as said in the instruction that open anyways, and it will run automatically. And thereafter a wine will be installed. We have to completely process as accordingly, and thereafter your eViews will look something like that in MacBook. Okay, the spelling is wrong, right? 1 second. The eViews. Okay, it's now here. Okay, the ebooks is finally sorry eViews is finally open. As it is saying that eViews student version is light, is partially restricted, but just let it be, and we have to create a new eView Word file, and thereafter I will guide you with the all the process which we need to follow, right? Okay, so this is the complete setup guide which you have to take care while installing eView on your MacBook. Thank you.